Hello, Remington. This is the first page. We're going to try to get through section 1-4 today, which is the first half. The 7th period last class, we got to like right here. Like we got to 25. That's all we got to. So we'll see how far we get, but we're going to try to go as fast as we can. Here we go. Number 1 and number 2. Which one of those would you like to do together?
1.
Number 1?
No, number 2.
Number 2?
Number 2, yeah.
Number 2. Okay, so they just want us to use variables. And it says the product of 3 and a number divided by 9. The product of 3 and a number. What's the product of 3 and a number look like?
3x.
3x divided by 9.
That one was easy, Jack.
Over 9. There you go.
That one.
These they're both easy. Okay, you do number 1 by yourself. Okay, so number 2 is just 3x over 9. The next one, do number 1. Just write them down. They're like really easy.
When you think about it.
It's easy when you think about it, right?
Maybe you should think.
Don't think about it too hard.
Maybe you should think.
So just like a happy medium.
Okay. All right. Did you get number 1?
Yes.
You did not either. What'd you get, Toby? He said yes. He said yes. 8 less than 5 times a number. 5 times a number is 5. X. Now, do you have to use X? Could you use Y or whatever variable you want,
But
right?
X is better.
And then minus 8. 5x minus 8. There you go. That's it. Okay? Now, 3 and 4 are a little bit harder going the other direction because then you have to write the words out.
Ooh, I don't
So,
like
would you
that.
like to do 3 or 4?
3.
I mean, 4 has more numbers.
We should do 3 though because the subtraction.
The subtraction?
weird.
Okay, so 3 n minus 8 equals 16. What do you want to do there?
Just add it
Number
over.
less than 8 is 16.
I'm gonna do yours, but I'm gonna go 8 less than a number. Can I do that? 8
Okay.
less than a number is 16. That is that.
Oh.
8 less than a number, right? A number minus 8. 8 less than a number is 16. I really abbreviated all my stuff, so see if you can figure that out. Okay, good? All right, 4 is kind of a doozy. Try it on your own. See how you do. Megan's like, final answer.
I think so. We'll see.
We'll see. We'll see. There's a couple of ways you can write it. I'm going to write it the way that you're not going to write it.
That's okay.
4.
You'll probably write it like the sum of.
Let's see what you wrote it as.
I wrote it very basic. Okay.
I think I got her.
Okay, that's actually the way that I was going to write it, Megan, actually.
Oh.
Number
well,
4, are you ready for 4?
great
Did you get an
minds-
answer?
Great minds
Okay,
think alike.
if you, this is only one way of writing it. I did 8 more than 3 times a number is 5.
I think
8 more than 3 times a number. You could have
Definitely
said,
did that different.
you could. What did you do, Mallory? I like that one too. The product of 3 and a number, right?
I think
You
great
could have
minds
said
think alike.
They were trying to the last period. They were saying the sum of 8 and the product of 3 and a number, and I'm like, woo, that was a lot. The sum of 8 and 3 times a number maybe would have worked. The sum of 8 and 3 times a number is 5. Something like that. What do you got?
The product of 3 and a number plus 8 is 5? Or are you not supposed
Sure.
to say
I usually don't like plus 5, but I will, or plus 8, like the word plus.
Because I didn't know.
But
if
leave
you
it, because that one was that's a really plus would be okay, I think, in that case. Yes, go ahead and leave it. You could use plus in that case. Okay? How about that? Good? All right. Okay. Out of 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 6 are 5 and 7 are similar. 6 and 8 are similar. Do you want to do 2 of them or just one of them? Out of that section, 2 of them. 5 and 7. Which one?
7.
7. Does 7 look tricky? Okay. Now, ultimately, you're trying to get the t by itself, right? Okay, I have 2 t's. So that means we got to get them together.
That was easy.
Which one would you like to move?
Minus
Minus
2.
2t. Okay, I had somebody last period add 2t.
That's just an extra step.
But this, no, they added the 2t, right?
Oh.
Because,
You can't
I
do
don't know,
that.
this is already a positive 2t, so you have to subtract the 2t over. What's 3t minus 2t?
1t. equals
1t, or just t equals 5 and you're done. Okay? All right, you do number 5 real fast, and then we'll check.
Already did.
Okay. You do number 5 real fast. Get an answer. Do number 5, get an answer. If you are stuck and you're like, I have no idea what the heck you just did and I don't know what I'm doing now, you yell at me and I'll come get you. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I'm too good at
What's
this.
you get it right?
Just
What'd you get?
It's like X equals half.
let's figure this out.
Okay.
I believe so.
4 x equals 16. Yep, and then find it. Yeah, there you go. See? There you go. Perfect, perfect. Perfect. Okay.
Yeah, I'd be 0.5.
All right. All right. I'll show my work also, so if you get stuck, there you are.
Yeah. When I have minus b, I need to subtract, or I forgot. 8.
8?
You go back over to 7.
Hold on. Minus b?
Minus
Yeah, you
b
tried-
is minus 22. I forgot how.
Well, you shouldn't have minus b. You should have minus 5b.
Yeah.
I don't know. About number
Do you have
8.
a phone? Your phone up there. Aristotle.
Why?
Me? What?
I need to interview you
Why?
because
Not
you're
yet.
sophomore freshman.
Quit coming to my class and
I
asking
said,
for
but I
people.
Why?
said when you're done. I need a
We won't be
freshman
done.
football player.
We won't be done.
Call me.
Why?
No, we
I'm
won't.
on a deadline.
Go pick somebody else. We're on a deadline too. We have a test coming. Go away.
Where are your classmates?
I don't know.
Spanish.
I can't. Call me.
We are on the deadline. We have stuff to do.
Fine.
We're too busy. We're too busy. Did you get 4 for 5?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Number 6 and 8. Which one would you like to do together? 8. 8 looks kind of uglier. Okay, I have 4 pieces here. Here's a B and here's a B. And here's a number and here's a number. I have to get the numbers together and the B's together. And let's do the B's first, because that's the way that you should do it. For those of you who don't, you're wrong. Get the B's together first. All right, so I have negative 3B and 2B. Which one would you like to move?
Add the 3b.
Add the 3B so that it becomes positive.
Because it's
Plus
just more
3B
work
plus
for
3B.
yourself.
I know, it is, yeah. So 7 equals negative 15 plus
Why is 7?
plus
It's minus 8.
5B. No, it's not minus 8.
No, you'd add the 15 over.
Okay, so plus 5B. Now you add the 15, right?
Add the 15 over. Then you get 22 equals
Plus 15 plus 15. Okay. 22 equals 5B. And then, what? Divide by 5, divide by 5, and that is 4.4. 4.4, actually. Yep. Okay, good. 4.4. Good. Happy with that? Do 7 now. There are 2 X's. You have to get the X's together, right?
7.
Somehow. Or 7, that's what I mean. Is that- oh, 6.
6.
You just did 8. I think that's 7. Whatever. 6. Do 6. Okay? Get the X's together and the numbers together. One of them on one side, one of them on the other side. And this one, I mean, is going to be kind of a fractiony thing also.
But not that bad.
But not that bad. Not 4.4 or 22 fifths. Okay. Okay, what'd you move first?
The X.
The X. Minus X minus X. What is 5X minus X? You know my favorite answer when I ask that question?
Fine.
5. Because the X is gone.
No.
No, it's not. It's
You still
4X.
have 4 other X's.
You still have 4 other X's. Okay? 4X equals 4 plus 2. And then what?
Subtract 2.
Subtract the 2. The X is here. I have to get rid of everything else, right? Minus 2 minus 2. So I have 2 equals 4X. And then divide 4, divide 4. So 1/2. I had somebody in the 7th period class say 2. Like that's the other way around. 4 divided by 2. 2 divided by 4. 1/2. Okay, good?
What was it?
Yeah.
Happy with that? Yes, dear.
I did it completely wrong, but I got the right answer.
Hey, you went in a different order. That's fine.
Okay.
You just did it legally still. Yep.
Okay, I know which one. we
As
should
long
do.
as you are legal, it's fine. 9 and 10.
Do 10.
Do 10. Do 10. Okay. We're solving for x in this case. Normally we're solving for y, but we want to get the x by itself. So what are you going to move first?
The 12.
The 12. How do you move the 12? Add 12. Okay, what is y plus 12?
Y plus 1.
Y plus 12. Okay, then equals
Multiply by 4.
1/4 x. 1/4 is being multiplied by x, so typically you want to
Do 4.
divide by 1/4, except Jack says, no, let's not do that. Let's
Hey.
do,
You multiply by 4.
let's multiply by 4, right? 1/4 times the reciprocal would be times 4, right? But if I do that, I have to multiply by the other side.
Would you do
And
4
if you have 4y plus 12, you're wrong. Because
It's
You do
4 plus 48.
plus
you have to multiply the 4 through. So this is 48 equals x. And then what?
That's good.
Then you're done because the x is by itself,
It just
right?
feels wrong solving.
It
for
feels
x.
wrong solving for x. I know it does.
Like very
So how
wrong.
did you get the 4?
How did we get the 4?
Very
So
wrong.
1/4 and x, I want to get rid of the 1/4. So it's like dividing by 1/4, but rather than dividing by that fraction, you can multiply by the reciprocal of 1/4, which is 4.
Whoa.
Right? 4 times 1/4 goes away.
Oh my God.
If I multiply by 4, yeah. Good question. Okay, does that make
Huh?
sense? Yeah.
Because it's
Okay.
easy.
No wait. I'll
Number
take it.
9 is really
easiest one.
similar to the one you had on your
Yeah, but-
quiz, if you remember that, a way so back.
No, I don't remember that.
And everybody was like, what in the heck do I do, right?
Yeah.
I
Okay.
didn't.
What in the heck do I do if I'm trying to get p by itself? P is being multiplied by RT. So how do I get R and T to go away?
You don't.
Divide
You
by
divide them, you do
RT.
the opposite of multiply, which is divide, right? Okay, so divide by RT and divide by RT. So what's that look like?
That.
Like no.
I over RT equals
P.
P, and then what?
That's
You're
it.
done.
Like I had people asking me this question, and I was like, okay, then what do you do? And they're like, I don't know what I do.
No.
And I'm like, okay, what is it asking you to do? Solve it for P. You have to get P by itself. So what do you need to do yet? And they're like, I don't know what I do yet.
You know what?
That's why you don't do any more, you're done, right? You're
Say-
done. P is by itself.
You're done.
You're done. I don't say it quite like, I can't do it with the undertone. Whatever. Anyway, okay, good? I over RT equals P. That's it. He's solved for. Done. Okay? All right, 11, 12, 13, 14. You're going to get number 13 wrong, so let's do it together because it's a tricky one.
I am.
You are. 100%. Maybe not
You want
100%.
to bet?
Okay, you do it right now.
You're 90.
Maybe. On the
Maybe.
On the
So the deal here is that everybody sees those parentheses and they distribute the 7t through.
No.
No.
Wrong,
I
wrong,
wouldn't
wrong,
It's a
wrong.
-1.
Yes, so there is a -1 right here in front of the parentheses, right? If there's just a negative, you presume it's -1. So we're going to just distribute the -1 through, right? So 7t, he's just going to chill out, right? What's -1 times t?
I think I can get this
No.
right.
-1t. What's -1 times -4?
Plus 4.
Plus 4, less than or equal to 25, okay? And then what?
Get
7t minus 1t is
6.
6t. Okay, and then I heard Aiden say, subtract the 4, right?
21.
So is less than or equal to 21? So 6t is less than or equal to 21, and then what? Divide by 6. 21 divided by 6 is 3.5. 3 and a half.
Can I steal that key again?
Yes, you can. 3 and a half. Do you want me to come help you?
Gabe's right here.
Oh,
for me, but
gotcha,
thank you
okay.
so much.
All right, now you got to graph
See,
it.
I would get it right.
Big out.
What do I win?
I got it right too.
Did you get it right?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
what do I
did.
win?
You win an air high five.
Oh, wasn't that?
How about I win that I
Trip
get
to
to
Las
go
Vegas.
get interviewed by Gracie?
No.
Hey, look.
I just want to get in class.
What?
No.
Don't trust me. Jackie's going to Las
All right, close circle to the left. All right,
Vegas because you want
do the other 3 though section.
Okay.
Oh man, we got lots to do left.
Oh,
Yeah.
my.
Oh, that's all right.
But it's not.
Yeah, that's all right.
Maybe we should just do them all in class and not have homework.
Yeah. agree. 28.
Delaney, what time is it? 30.
Question.
Mm-hmm.
We're doing
Number
11.
12.
Are we doing 11 still? Do you need to do 11?
No, I'm just asking what's in the
Yes, go ahead and do 11, 12, and 14, or try them at least.
Okay.
We'll do them together here in a second.
So for this one, I just minus.
Yeah, and then divide your three, and then grab them. Perfect. Some of these don't come out very nice.
Yeah, 14.
I forgot. When it's not bigger than
Oh,
the.
yeah, I got my calculator, so it goes a tad bit faster.
That's what I do.
What?
When it's not bigger than 8.
14?
Yeah.
When it's what?
When it's the x, like I have 28. Yo, I forgot nothing. Nothing.
Nothing? No? No?
Is this one good?
I got it.
Left or right?
Cool.
I got it.
Oh, it's less than.
Yeah, I was trying to get out my calculator.
Wait.
That was negative 3.
Wait, I was right.
How did you not know?
If it's just has the symbol.
You should just
Well,
do
I was right. I have
You
this.
know.
It's just
Yes.
easier to double check.
28.
Yeah, yeah.
I put the.
Making.
I just know it. I just
Yep.
have
20x minus 50.
the
Yeah.
audacity.
Right.
Don't. That's so sad.
Good.
0.
Yeah, you bet, you bet.
Right.
Right, or 3 over 4.
So.
Right. So negative 0.74. Yep, we're doing good.
I am doing great.
You're doing great. Perfect. I love to hear that.
And I even got done before Jack.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Man, oh man. Jack, what was your math score?
I could tell you. Do
He
I
doesn't
want
want to
to?
tell me. I'll find out tomorrow.
Yeah, you will.
I will look it up.
For once, I scored higher than
You scored higher than Jack?
Yeah,
Ha!
I got 257.
I like it when that happens.
me too. I don't think I scored higher than you.
What'd you get last year?
I don't remember, but not very good.
I got 241 last year.
You got what last year?
241 last year for math.
What about 11? What did you do on 11?
I solved it
How'd you solve it?
by solving it. Just multiply by -4.
Multiply it by -4 times -4. Now, did you forget to flip the sign?
No, I did not forget.
Perfect.
Did you forget?
I did not either.
No.
Negative
I
8
didn't
Megan.
forget.
and this
I
way.
did not
'Kay.
forget.
Now, why do you flip the sign?
Because you were
'Cause you are-
multiplying by negative.
Dividing by negative, or multiplying by negative. Okay?
I
Good?
totally knew that.
Of course.
So that's what I got for that one.
Mm-hmm.
And then these two right here.
What'd you get for 14?
Negative 0.75 or negative 3/4. If you were at it as a fraction, that's fine as well. 15 over 20. Negative 15 over 20. Okay? You get through those?
We're gonna be the same.
Whenever I am screencasting, it always says 9:41. I don't know why. And it's January something, January 9th, something, 9:41. Okay?
That is kind of strange.
All right, shall we try to do these last three slow?
No.
We have 1 minute.
We have 1
Good
minute.
idea. I have a good idea.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
should not have homework tonight, and we could finish this plus some of the next page tomorrow. And then instead of doing whiteboards, or while doing whiteboards, we could finish everything.
Yeah, we could do math with math.
Well, I got 1.3 done.
You will not need to be here until 9:30. Seniors, you will
Sure.
not need to be here until 9:30 tomorrow.
You can?
Megan, did you get 1.3 done? No, you
Is that a good idea?
We'll see.
I'm not that bad. That's part of it.
We'll stop there.
Come on.
Because it's easy, Megan.
No one's supposed to do it, Jack.
We'll just work ahead.
Be efficient. Be efficient.
I don't think you are.
It's just about point of view.
Effective and effective.
Yeah, like,
More like
I'm not the
defective.
driver for time. I'm bad driver when I'm coming with a.
That was so funny.
When I'm drunk.
That was good. That was really good.
Jack being a naughty boy.
Never.